You can call me Rorkz.
What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rory, but you can call me Rorkz. And welcome to part 3 of Rorkz Draws. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, or part 1 or part 2, that's where I drew my brother's dogs, Lola and Fudge, as super dogs. Go check them out. In this video, I'm going to be drawing my brother's Chinchillas as NinChillas. Now, the one chinchilla is a darkish kind of grey, maybe almost like a kind of black, and the other chinchilla is like a light grey. Now, because one's dark and one's light, I'm going to give the darker chinchilla, the one there, a light costume, and the lighter chinchilla a dark costume. So cliche, but hey, I think it'll work. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I think I've got the very rough idea of the ninja chinchillas at the moment. One's got a ninja star, one's got a ninja sword or a katana. So next I'm going to just clean it up a bit, and then I'm going to add a pen tool to it, and from there color it in. Let's go. So it's coming on. I need to work on the head a bit more, but I'm going to change the one from holding a katana, a sword, to a carrot, and the other one will be like a piece of broccoli or something. Okay, I've kind of got the rough versions done. I was struggling a bit with the one head, but now I'm going to add a pen tool, so it's going to be like the solid line. Then I'm going to color them in, shade them in, and then I'm going to add the ninja suits. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with it. It's come alright with the two reference pictures. I've done the best I can in that situation. And next is going to be to color it in. So I think I'm going to do the one in the carrot. He's going to be the darker one, and the one with the piece of broccoli is going to be the lighter grey one. Let's go. Okay, so there are my two NinChillas in their color. The next step is to shade it in and give it a bit more life, and then do the ninja suits. Let's go. Okay, so I've got the one chinchilla done. Next, I'm going to go on to the other chinchilla, which should be a lot quicker. So let's hope that's true. Okay, so there are my two chinchillas. Look, I could probably do a lot more, but it's taking a while, and I really want to start with the suits. Maybe I'll go back to them and fix up a few things, but I don't know, it's looking pretty decent for now. One guy's holding his carrot, the other one's holding his piece of broccoli. And now it's going to be time to draw the roughs of the ninja suits. Let's go. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but it seems like the camera went off. Anyway, here are my rough versions of the ninja suits. I'm going to do two different ninja suits. So yeah, two different ninja suits. One's going to be dark, one's going to be light. And now it's time to neaten them out and color them in. Let's go. There are my two ninja design suits. I'm just going to leave it like that, not going to design anything else. Now it's time to neaten it out, color it in, shade it in, and have the final thing done. Let's go! Alright, so there are the neat ninja suits done. I'm going to work on the ninja star because that doesn't look right. But now it's just time to color them in and shade them and all the rest. Let's go! And there we have it. There are my Ninja Suit colors done. Now, I was having a bit of trouble coming up with the colors, so all I've done, if you haven't noticed, was I've taken the carrot and the broccoli and I've just incorporated them into the colors. So where the carrot and broccoli suits there's the chinchillas with the suits on, and this is what they look like with their suits off. All that's left to do now is shade them in. Let's go! And that is it. I am done with the NinChillas. I've spent way too much time on here. I'm pretty happy with the results. Here we have our two NinChillas, the one with his sword, the other one with his ninja star. I've got the carrot colors incorporated into the one ninja suit and the broccoli colors incorporated into the other ninja suit. This is what they look like without the masks on. And if I take away the suits, they look like that. And yeah, there we are. So we've got our ninja chinchillas, and we have our NinChillas, our ninja chinchillas. Well, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, I'll be very surprised. Stay tuned for part 4, where I will be drawing the guinea pigs. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!
You can call me Rorkz.